Hi dear second years, welcome to second year English class. So in last class we discussed filling the form, and now this class also we continue the same topic. Okay, see the question here. Let me read the question first of all. You are Mr. K. Sudhindra, resident of Kacheri Street, Tekkali. Apply today for DD 5,500 rupees. This denomination 500 notes and 50 notes to be paid towards admission fee to the registrar Andhra University Visakhapatnam, payable to Andhra University campus branch Visakhapatnam. The exchange to be paid as commission for 5,500 rupees is 50 rupees. So exchange to 5,500, exchange is 50 rupees. Who is the account holder here? Mr. K. Sudhindra, resident of Kacheri Street at Tekkali. Exactly here at Tekkali. Date is not given, but instead of the date, what is given? Today. So on which date you write an exam, the same date is written here. DD means here no demand draft. Demand draft. We need to get that demand draft for the address, the registrar Andhra University campus, Andhra University Visakhapatnam. So these are the details given. Let's go to the form with numbers. Here one. What is one? Branch. So you write branch means here Tekkali. Tekkali. Number two, date. Date is not given but is mentioned today. So you write today's date. Then 3, pay order on. 3 means Andhra University campus branch. 3, you write Andhra University campus branch. 4, in favor of. In favor of అంటే ఎవరికి మనం ఆ డీడీ పంపించాలి, ఏ అడ్రస్కి పంపించాలి అని. See the registrar Andhra University Visakhapatnam. That is the fourth answer. 5B, rupees. That figure, that amount is written in words. How much amount here? 5,500 rupees. So you write here 5B, 5,550. 5,500 rupees, not 50. Okay, come to here, pay order 5A. That is the number 5,500. 6, exchange. That is given here to 5,500, exchange is 50. So here answer, exchange 50. Total 5,550. 7, that is total 5,550. 5A again, no need to write 2 times. Already completed. See, this is the denomination, 8 and 9 denomination. 500, exactly opposite of, exactly at 500, number 8 given. 500, that means here 500 notes, 50 notes. So in 5,500, how many 500s are there? 11. So you write 8 here. 11 into 500 into 11 equal to 5,500. 9, 50, that is exchange 50, no? So 50 into 1 equal to 50. Number 7 total already written, no need to write second time. And then name, applicant signature. Who is applicant? Mr. K. Sudhindra. That's all. So this is the first form. Did you understand here? What are the repeated answers here? Repeated numbers 5A, 5A, 5B. No, 5A only is repeated, and 7. But you write one time is enough. 5A one time, 7 one time, that's enough. Now let's go to the another form. You are Mr. Ramireddy. Your employer, Mr. Ramamohan, has asked you to deposit 3,400, 2,000 and 100 denomination. These are the notes. In his post office saving account in Kadapa post office. His account number 1200563. Fill in the form and deposit the money. See here, two names are given, dear students. Ramireddy and Ramamohan. Already once I told you, Ramireddy, Ramamohan, employee and employer. Who is employee? Employee means who does the job. Employer means who gives the job. Okay? Here Ramireddy is employee and employee is Rammohan. This is a little bit mistake here. Employer Ramireddy, employee Ramamohan. Who asked money? Ramamohan asked his employer Ramireddy. How much money? 3,400. Okay, right? Let's go to the numbers. Number 1, see type of account SB, RD, MIS, TD, PPF. You don't think all this, just in all the bank forms this is asked. Type of account SB, saving bank account. Number 2, here number 2, where is number 2? Post office. Which post office here? Kadapa post office. Second answer, Kadapa post office. Account number 1200563. Okay, that is account number. Number 4, date. Date is not given actually, but you write the day on you write exam. Next, number 5, name. Name, account holder's name here, Mr. Ramamohan. Okay, 5 name. That is in word, amount is in words 3,400 rupees. 3,400 rupees 6. Number 7, the same number you write 3400, RS 3400. Next 3400. Number 7. So in this form only 8 numbers are given, but you know in examination point of view 1 to 10 numbers are given. Deposited by, who deposited here? Ramireddy. Remember here name, that is account holder Ramamohan, but deposited by Ramireddy. Remember this is the form. Okay, now let's go to the another form. Let's go to the another form. Holding the mobile is something difficult now. Okay, next question. Your Miss Savitri, you have post office savings bank account in Markapuram post office. You have sent Mr. Murali as a messenger to withdraw today an amount of 1,500 from your account. Your account number is 1214563,478. Here, who is account holder? Miss Savitri. Okay, she has an account in Markapuram post office. But you know, she has sent Murali as a messenger to withdraw. The messenger ఏంటి? ఆమె ఫామ్ ఫిల్ చేసి, ఓకే, సావిత్రి ఫామ్ ఫిల్ చేసి ఒక అతని ద్వారా పంపించింది డిపాజిట్ చేయమని. డిపాజిట్ విత్డ్రానా? పోస్ట్ ఆఫీస్ యు సెంట్ మిస్టర్ మురళి మెసెంజర్ ఫర్ విత్డ్రా. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్గా డిపాజిట్ చేయడానికి ఎవరైనా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారు. అంటే ఒకళ్ళ అకౌంట్ ఉంటే వేరే ఒకళ్ళు డిపాజిట్ చేసినా నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ విత్డ్రా చేయడానికి అయితే చాలా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉండాలి. యాక్చువల్గా ఎవరైతే అకౌంట్ హోల్డర్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది ఏది విత్డ్రా చేయడానికి. కానీ ఒక మెసెంజర్ అంటే మధ్యవర్తి ద్వారా వెళ్ళి తీసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ అకౌంట్ హోల్డర్ నేమ్ ఎవరు ఉండాలి? సావిత్రి ఉండాలి. మెసెంజర్ అన్న చోట మాత్రం ఎవరైతే వెళ్తున్నారో వాళ్ళ నేము వాళ్ళ సిగ్నేచర్ ఉండాలన్నమాట. అదే ఈ క్వశ్చన్, రైట్ అమ్మా? నెక్స్ట్ 1, నేమ్ ఆఫ్ పోస్ట్ ఆఫీస్. వేర్ ఇస్ దట్? Markapuram post office. Markapuram, that's enough. Date, is date given? Yeah, today's date. Number 3, type of account, same answer, SB, saving bank account. Account number 1214563,578. What is the answer? 4th one, this is the account number. Okay, next 5 that rupees in figure. How much? 3000, no sorry, 1500, rs 1500. Number 6, that is written in words 1500 rupees only, otherwise 1500 rupees only, that's enough. Signature of thumb impression of depositor. Who is the depositor? Account holder. So Miss Savitri. Number 7, Miss Savitri. Now, who is that? Name of messenger. Who is the messenger? Murali, Mr. Murali. Signature of messenger, that is also Murali. అయితే ఇక్కడ నేమ్ అన్నప్పుడు ఇది ఇలా రాయాలి, క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ మురళి, MURALI. బట్ సిగ్నేచర్ అన్నప్పుడు మనం జనరల్గా షార్ట్ కట్గా అలా రాస్తాం కదా, అంటే కనిపించకుండాని కాదు, జస్ట్ అలా ఒక సింబల్ అంతే, దట్స్ ఆల్. నెక్స్ట్ signature of thumb impression of depositor. Here again 10, account holder is Savitri. So that's all today. We shall discuss 3 forms, that is Mr. K. Sudhindra and Ramireddy and Rama Mohan and Savitri and Murali. Thank you for listening.